As outdoor treasure hunting sees booming demand, even screen-bound typists and gamers are trading keyboards for metal detectors to uncover hidden relics during weekend adventures. Embarking on a successful hunt requires dependable equipment. This guide evaluates top detection gear based on target signal response, switch type, weather-resistant build quality, control panel layout, and overall long-term treasure hunting value.
Product number 1. Garrett Pro Pointer AT Waterproof Metal Detector. Made in the USA. 20-foot submersible, orange visibility, high sensitivity for nuggets and small targets, 3 levels, quick button adjustment. The Garrett Pro Pointer AT, affectionately dubbed the Carrot due to its high visibility orange housing, is an essential pinpointing tool relied upon by detectorists worldwide. Made in the USA, this rugged pinpointer speeds up target recovery once a primary signal, saving valuable digging time in mud, sand, or water. Submersible up to 20 feet underwater, the Pro Pointer AT is completely waterproof, making it ideal for riverbeds, shallow lake hunting, and ocean surf. It features 3 sensitivity levels to detect tiny gold nuggets, small coins, and fine jewelry with extreme precision. A single-button quick retune feature instantly tunes out mineralized wet beach sand or narrows the detection field for pinpoint accuracy in trash-filled soil. The physical build quality is virtually indestructible, feature his strapey laid along the side to sift through dirt while searching holes. An automatic power-off feature conserves battery life, while a lost pinpointer alarm emits periodic chirps if forgotten on the ground. Powered by a single 9-volt battery, the Garrett Pro Pointer AT offers unmatched reliability, rugged durability, and incredible value as an indispensable sidearm for every serious treasure hunter.
Product number 2. Garrett Ace 300 Metal Detector for Adults. Made in the USA. Gold metal detector. Waterproof coil plus accessories. Built on Garrett's legendary entry-level foundation, the Ace 300 delivers mid-range features and refined target identification for beginners and seasoned hobbyists alike. Manufactured in the USA, this detector combines approachable operation with advanced target analysis, making it an exceptional choice for coin shooting, relic hunting, and dry beach searching. At the heart of the Ace 300 is its 7-inch by 10-inch Performance waterproof concentric search coil, providing excellent depth coverage and crisp target separation. Operating at an upgraded 8 kHz frequency, it offers enhanced sensitivity to small gold pieces and conductive jewelry. The control panel layout features a sharp digital target ID screen ranging from 0 to 99, giving hunters clear, precise numerical feedback on buried metal targets before digging. The detector offers 5 distinct search modes: zero discrimination, jewelry, relics, coins, and custom, alongside adjustable notch discrimination to eliminate trash items like pull tabs and foil. Additional features include a built-in electronic pinpoint mode, digital iron audio control, and cam locks on the stem for superior shaft stability. Accompanied by bonus accessories like volume control headphones and environmental cover-up caps, the Garrett Ace 300 delivers outstanding American-made build quality and dependable performance.
Product number 3. Upgraded metal detector for adults. Professional. High-accuracy gold finder with DSP chip and 10-inch IP68 waterproof search coil, 12-inch deep detection, and 60-inch adjustable length for beach and yard. Engineered for deep target recovery across challenging terrains, this upgraded professional metal detector incorporates an advanced digital signal processing DSP chip for superior signal processing speed and depth accuracy. Capable of detecting coins and jewelry up to 12 inches underground, it is a formidable tool for backyard searches, parks, and beach hunts. Equipped with a 10-inch IP68 fully waterproof search coil, this detector transitions seamlessly from dry land to shallow water hunting in streams and shoreline surf. The upgraded DSP chip minimizes false signals caused by ground mineralization or electromagnetic interference, ensuring accurate target classification. The extended 60-inch adjustable shaft accommodates users of all heights, featuring an ergonomic armrest balance that minimizes wrist fatigue during long hunting sessions. The control box features an intuitive LCD screen displaying target depth, signal strength, operating mode, and battery status. It offers multiple operation modes, including all metal, disc, notch, and pinpoint, giving users complete freedom to filter out iron clutter while targeting gold, silver, and copper. For hobbyists seeking deep detection capability, crisp signal processing, and versatile height adjustments, this DSP-powered detector offers tremendous performance for its price.
Product number 4. Garrett Ace 300 Metal Detector for Adults. Made in the USA. Gold metal detector, waterproof coil, plus accessories.
Because reliable detection performance is critical when scanning expansive fields, the Garrett Ace 300 earns a second highlight on our roundup list. Recognized for its balanced weight distribution and beginner-friendly learning curve, the Ace 300 remains a top recommendation for multi-detector household setups or hunting partners looking for matching, reliable gear. The Ace 300's primary strength lies in its digital target ID system paired with custom tone audio discrimination. 3 distinct audio tones provide immediate acoustic feedback, allowing hunters to hear the difference between low-conductivity iron, medium-conductivity brass or foil, and high-conductivity silver coins without constantly staring at the screen. The 8 kHz operating frequency strikes an optimal balance between depth penetration and target sensitivity for small coins and rings. Constructed with durable aluminum shafts and reinforced housing, the Ace 300 withstands rigorous outdoor use through heavy brush and rocky ground. The waterproof coil permits hunting in damp grass and shallow puddles, while stem cam locks keep the unit rigid and rattle-free during wide sweeps. Backed by Garrett's renowned customer support and solid build quality, taking out a secondary or primary Ace 300 ensures consistent, reliable treasure retrieval across all land conditions.
Product number 5. SunPow Professional Metal Detector for Adults. Pinpoint accurate and easy to use. 12-inch waterproof coil, 2x backlit LCDs, DSP chip, 5 modes, adjustable, 19 to 59 inches for beach, field, garden. The SunPow Professional Metal Detector brings modern tech-forward features to treasure hunting, starring an oversized 12-inch waterproof search coil that dramatically increases sweep coverage and target depth. Designed for adults seeking high efficiency, this detector uses an upgraded DSP chip to accelerate signal response and improve target differentiation in mineralized soil. What sets the SunPow detector apart is its dual backlit LCD interface, providing clear, high-contrast visual data even under bright sunlight or during night hunts. The large 12-inch coil penetrates deep into ground layers while offering an IP68 waterproof rating for wet sand and riverbeds. The detector incorporates 5 operational modes: all metal, disc, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint, allowing hunters to easily program custom target profiles and ignore unwanted trash. The stem adjusts smoothly from 19 to 59 inches, making it easily adaptable for adults of varying heights or compact storage in a backpack. The ergonomic S-rod design and cushioned arm support distribute the unit's weight naturally across the forearm. Delivering broad coil coverage, crisp backlit displays, and intuitive mode selection, the SunPow Professional Detector represents an exceptional feature-packed value for modern treasure hunters.
Product number 6. Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 Metal Detector. All-terrain gold, silver, coin, and relic finder. With 8-inch waterproof coil, 3 detection modes, for adults and kids. Made in the USA. Rounding out our list is the legendary Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4, one of the most accessible and foolproof metal detectors ever made. Manufactured in the USA, this straightforward analog detector skips complex digital screens in favor of simple, intuitive knob controls that perform reliably across harsh soil, dry sand, and forest trails. Featuring an 8-inch waterproof concentric search coil, the Tracker 4 excels at detecting coins, relics, gold, and silver buried in challenging conditions. Its built-in automatic ground balance neutralizes natural mineral salts in soil, preventing constant false chatter without requiring manual calibration. The control layout features 2 simple control knobs and a toggle switch to toggle between 3 primary detection modes: motion all metal, full discrimination, and tone discrimination. The lightweight, balanced frame makes it comfortably usable for both adults and kids, serving as an ideal family starter detector. The analog meter provides visual target signal feedback, while dual audio tones distinguish valuable targets from iron trash. Extremely durable, lightweight, and incredibly easy to operate straight out of the box, the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 remains the ultimate budget-friendly gateway into the hobby of metal detecting.
Finding the best metal detector comes down to matching your hunting environment, target preferences, and budget with the right features. Whether you choose the rugged waterproofing of the Garrett Pro Pointer AT, the reliable digital target ID of the Garrett Ace 300, the deep DSP capability of SunPow, or the foolproof analog fun of the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4, unearthing history has never been more exciting. Grab your gear and start exploring.